Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a homemade salmon dinner. I was craving this. I'll tell you why I was craving it. But one of my subscribers on TikTok, I think they recommended me getting this prickly pear drink. I'm gonna try this out first. It's called a modern Mexican soda. I don't know if you can see that or not. Today's a great day. It's Sunday. I have the whole day off. It's amazing. Prickly pear. Interesting. It's very light. It's almost like not like a soda. It's really interesting. Different. It's almost like this combination with like a little flavor. But yeah. Anyways, I'm super excited to try. Okay, so the reason why this is the salmon, asparagus, salad, and a baked potato. I have a little bit of background. Let me know if you like. I changed a little bit of stuff. There's that little flower in the background. I added that in case you might like it better. And I have this little food sign. Salmon first. I had a really good experience at Whole Foods with the salmon. I told her I wanted a piece of salmon, and she's like, which one do you want? And she's like, do you want me to pick you the best one? Yeah, sure. So she picked me the best one. It's good. I was doing a lot of errands today. I totally forgot to marinate it. So instead of like 30 minutes or more, maybe 15, 20 minutes. That's really good. I add asparagus. I add mayonnaise to the asparagus. Do you guys do that? I kind of grew up on that, so I don't know. It's like an 80s thing. It's so good. I love it. I almost got spinach today, but what did I do with my oh yeah. I almost got spinach today, but I was like, if they have thick asparagus, I'll get asparagus. And they did. So I was like, yes. So yeah, today's Sunday. I have the day off. I am scheduled next week for Sunday. I was like, why am I scheduled? So I spoke to my manager who did the scheduling. What am I doing? I need butter. I go, why am I scheduled on Sunday? She's like, I know you're normally off on Sundays, but I really need you for this Sunday. I'm like, okay. I mean, every so often I could do, I would even okay, even every other Sunday. I'm not gonna tell her that, but I like to add some of this. The blend kinders, it's basically salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm not gonna tell her that, but like, a little bit on everything actually. God, this dinner's gonna be so good. But you know, they were actually really short all the time at first. Yeah, I can do it. I'll do it for you. No problem. Because I'm off on because I have to work on this coming Sunday. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off, and I haven't had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off in a row. And it's so nice to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday nights off straight. It's really nice. I love it. This potato's so good. Oh my god. I literally make the best potatoes. It's amazing. Yeah. Um, because sometimes it's kind of hard to work like 3 nights straight, like almost 3 double shifts straight. It's kind of hard sometimes. Salad. Oh my god, this dinner's so good. I am so glad I made this tonight. So this drink is okay. I don't know if I'm about it again. It's okay. Not a lot of pear flavor. But there's a banana cream that somebody recommended me to try on a different brand. But it's not bad. It's not bad if you want to have like less soda. It has 6 grams of fiber, so I guess it's more of a healthier drink, but it's not bad. But no. So yeah, I'm going to tell you the reason why I wanted a healthy dinner. So yesterday, Dutch Bros has a new drink out. It's called banana cream. Yeah, iced banana cream latte. And it was pretty good, actually. And I asked for a medium size. I sort of medium. I think it's a large. It's like, and I don't know why every time I get Dutch Bros, it always I just feel like really full, really bloated afterwards. Maybe because it's so much caffeine, or maybe it's sweet. I'm not really sure why. I don't get that with Starbucks though. I'm not really sure why Dutch Bros. But Dutch Bros looked like a really big. It looked like it was like a large drink or something. So good. So I did the video 2 hours before I went to work at Walmart. Then within an hour of working at Walmart, I noticed I had a little bit of a stomach ache. I'm just very tired. I just didn't feel very well. And I came home. I still had a stomach ache. And throughout the night, I didn't have the best sleep. It was hard to sleep. It was like I still had the stomach ache. In the morning, I just had some scrambled eggs and some sourdough toast, and I just still was not hungry. It was just weird. You know what? I'm just not going to eat until I'm hungry. So I was like, you know what? I really want a healthy dinner tonight. I want to eat healthy. So I was like, and I was watching one of my older videos of me making salmon. Like, yeah, I want a salmon dinner tonight. So that's why I'm making salmon dinner. My second choice was tacos. And my third choice was hamburgers. My mom says I make the best salmon out of any restaurant, which is crazy. And she says I make the best baked potatoes. They're so crispy on the outside, moist inside. So, a lot of people, when I make a salmon, they want the recipe, and I already shared you the recipe, but in case you don't know, I made like probably 5 different salmon recipes, and I think I'm going back to the original one like 15, 20 years ago with my brother and my mom. She was living in this little apartment. And I remember doing a salmon video. And so it's a good recipe video because I show you how to make the potatoes, how I make them. And so I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out that video. My brother, we all look different. We're all thin at the time. We all look younger. But yeah, this is really good. Even though I didn't marinate for 30 minutes, this is so good. So, we have a new neighbor, apparently. I don't know if it's a he or a she. I think I have a feeling it's a he, but I'm not really sure. But, so the guy next to me who's loud sometimes, above him, somebody bought the condo, so they took the sign off. The other day I saw like an AT&T like box at his condo, and then today I saw like a little bit. I think he installed a camera, so it's a camera in front of his Surprised he's installed it right away. Maybe he thinks there's a lot of crime. I mean, there's really not a lot. I haven't really noticed any crime here. It's gated, which is a plus. The area isn't like, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. It's like in the medium, so it's not too bad. So. So anyways, today, last week I saw this TikTok video, right? And they're like, hey, she's like, what's wrong with the YouTube? Like, what's going on with YouTube? Because she's like, does anybody watch YouTube anymore? Because she was like, I saw this vlogger that I always watched in the past. I love her content. But I started watching her video and I could not watch it. I just wanted to, I clicked away. I went on TikTok instead. And the comments were like, oh, TikTok, it's because of TikTok. We have a shorter attention span right now. And TikTok ruined us. Something like that. It made me think. And a lot of my coworkers like shorts on YouTube or TikTok. It made me really think like, is YouTube like, is it going downhill? Is TikTok becoming more popular? I definitely think it's more popular. And maybe it's next, like, you know what? I think people do have a shorter attention span right now. I was like, I'm going to start posting more shorts. So you guys might have noticed I'm trying to do more shorts on YouTube. I may be reducing my long form content because I'm so busy posting shorts, but I feel like that's like, you gotta do what's trending, I think I do love making long form content, especially my vlogs. And I love making like these type of videos. And I still will make these type of videos, but I just feel like, you just gotta roll with the times, So, in case you're wondering why I'm doing these videos, that's why. I mean, I really do prefer longer content, but I'm just trying to go with the times, This salmon is so good. I added a little bit of extra garlic in here too. That is so good. Oh my god. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but I want to start making more videos in San Francisco again. I did 2 so far. I really want to go to the mission and try the best burrito. Ah! Wow. I always thought San Francisco was like gone downhill, but because of social media. But I talked to a one of my customers at Walmart, and she works in San Francisco. She says it's not that bad. She's like, social media's make it looking that bad. So, and there's a new mayor in San Francisco. So, and I heard he's doing really a good job. So. So good. Yeah, so anyways. This smells really good. Yeah, back to San Francisco. I was just recently saw some videos of people moving back to San Francisco or moving to San Francisco from cheaper states. It made me think, why? I even I was watching my old videos of San Francisco, and I was like walking to the Pier 39, walking back to the bar, and I was hours and hours of walking. And I was like, oh, I have to go back to work now. I have to work at Walmart tonight. Like, I did all that, and I worked at Walmart. Crazy. So, but having Sundays off, I can just relax and not rush San Francisco. Alright guys, that was so good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video. Peace.